Morning, Randy. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm trying to get this pinion out of this center section here. If I could get Chris to help me.
What, are you rebuilding it?
Yeah, I'm rebuilding this rear end.
I didn't know we did rebuilds.
Oh yeah, we rebuild rear ends and transmissions. Chris, bring me the torch already for the third time.
Randy, did you holler at me?
Yeah, I want you to bring me the propane torch.
Oh, here it is.
Bring me that ring gear over here too.
Randy? Okay.
You gonna bring the spool? Come, Chris.
Dango spool. Dango. It's that.
I need the boats, Chris. I need the boats. I need the boats, Chris.
Anything else?
Have you got a pinion mount ready for this? Chris, bring me the right ring gear. Chris, bring me that pinion mount. Chris, bring me the hammer. Chris! Chris! Bring me them ring gear bolts. Chris, bring me some thread locker. Chris, bring me a shaker screen. While you're at it, bring me a cup of coffee.
I hate it when Randy works. Hey, man, which one you want? I got them all. Hey, sorry, it was all right. I was trying to hurry.
Well, it's about time I need. Oh!
PPM, Chris. Yes. All right. Thank you for calling PPM. Thank you.
Oh.
I'm sorry, big guy. You all right?
Oh, you broke my toe, Chris.
Sorry, man.
You're sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. If I didn't have this new hoodie on, I'd smoke you.
That's awful strong words.
My toes are killing me. You come here. Come here.
Help me low! No! Stop that! Dadgum, what
Chris,
just
you
happened?
got that rear end together yet?
Yeah, I'd like to know what just happened to us.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Whew, dadgum, man. I feel like it's in a whirlwind. Anyway. The hoodies are on sale.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm still trying to recoup.
Recoup from what?
I don't know. Black, everything went black, like I say. So, yeah, I got it together. Somehow, in between all that time.
It's looking good.
Thank you.
Looking better than you.
Hey, I'm pretty fast at what I do.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just black, and then bam, it was done like that.
Tell the folks, you rebuild rear ends,
Yeah,
transmissions.
We rebuild.
Not only do you sell new ones, you rebuild used ones.
We rebuild, repair transmissions, rear ends. I mean, we replace the axle tubes, axles, gear, whatever, man. We do it all. We do it all. You heard me right. I don't care to change the grease in your rear end.
Chris!
Right?
Yeah, don't forget, this winter we got a special on hoodies on the website. That's at ppmracingproducts.com, or you can call us at. Are you okay?
865-354-9669.
Toll-free numbers 1-877-560-0619.
Thank you for calling PPM. I love you, man.
Oh!
Easy on you.